Konnichiwa. Hello everybody. Today Takamoto reporting again for live Japanese news television, Takamoto Adventure. And Takamoto is just taking a little stroll in here in the forest in Canada. And I want to share another Japanese proverb. We say in Japanese, shinrin yoku. Shinrin yoku is to take a bath in the forest. So join Takamoto in the bath time right now with clothes on, of course, because this is live Japanese news television. We cannot get naked. So, what means say shinrin yoku is mean that you can bathe in nature, activate all five senses. Touch, you can touch the tree, you can smell air and see every all beautiful thing. And feel and listen to beautiful little chisai bird chirping, and all senses activate. So Japanese actually understand that the forest and nature have very deep healing property ですからね。すごいですからね。Today, Takamoto just want to get on television and remind all Canadian citizens to take advantage of what they have in here in beautiful big backyard, which is a Canada. And I hope everybody understand that in bathing in forest, you can increase Japanese power called ki. And ki is like a Chinese power, chi. And ki is responsible for all creation in life, all very powerful thing. And you harness energy and you create anything you want. That is what Japanese understand. And that is why Japan is superpower. This was Takamoto reporting live for Live Japanese News Adventure. Takamoto Adventure. ありがとうございます。